everyone, I am Jofi Newton from 5th standard. Today, I want to share some memories about our former Chief Minister Ayya Kamarajar. Kamarajar was born on 15th July 1903 in Virupatti. His parents were Kumarasamy Nadar and Sivagami Ammal. His parents named him Kamachi, but they are called Raja, so his names became Kamaraj. Kamaraj had a younger sister named Nahamal. Kamarajar dropped out of the school at the age of 12 and he joined a cloth shop run by his maternal uncle as a salesman. Kamarajar showed an interest in public happenings and politics since the age of 13. Kamarajar was attracted by the Annie-Besant School Rules movement and inspired the writing of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and Subramania Bharati. In 1930, Kamarajar was participated in the Vedaranya March organized by Rajagopalachari in the support of Gandhi's salt tomorrow. He was arrested for the first time and he was imprisoned in Alipore jail for almost 2 years. In 1931, Kamarajar was appointed as a member of All Indian Congress Committee. Ayya Satyamurthy became his political guru. In 1932, Kamarajar was arrested again. Kamarajar was a man of honor, dignity, integrity and courage. He lived a simple life even when he became one of the most powerful politicians in the national politics. In 1954, Kamarajar was signed as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. He was the longest serving Chief Minister in India. He opened nearly 1,000 schools and introduced midday meal scheme to encourage students to attend the school. So he called Kalvi Thandai. He also set up many industries and IIT Madras. Kamarajar was elected the President of All Indian Congress on 9th October 1963. After Nehru death, he was referred to Prime Ministers Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1964 and Indira Gandhi in 1966, so that he was acclaimed as the kingmaker. He followed Gandhian principle. Kamarajar always not spent more time with his family. Today, Tamil Nadu was shaped by Kamarajar, and he always wore a simple khadi shirt and dhoti. He also called as Black Gandhi. Memorials on 2nd October 1975, Kamarajar was complained as chest pain. He died later due to his sleeping at heart attack at the age 72. His body was kept for public viewing at Rajaji Hall. Memorials dedicated to Kamarajar had been established in Chennai, Virudhunagar and Kanyakumari. The man who went to not school but reasoned to open thousands of schools in Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to me.